Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I redesign a thumbnail if I was a dropshipper. So I recently came across this channel from hensgens, and I watched his new video, and he basically buys a dead dropshipping store and revives it a revenue of $2,000 at the end of the video. So the whole video was very informative. So this is the thumbnail he used for his latest video. Right off the bat, you can't even see the graph on a smaller screen like this. And these are the problems I found on his thumbnail. Basically, the graph is small and there are too much information on the graph. Also, the graph is showing a peak in pattern, so it doesn't make sense because the graph is going up and he has a face which is not happy or anything like that. Can you tell what the video is about without the title? Yeah, exactly. So this thumbnail doesn't convey the idea of the video. It really needs the title to work on YouTube, and that's a big problem because you have to convey the idea of the video from the thumbnail by itself. Then the title reinforces that idea. So these are the mistakes I found on his thumbnail. And then I made this sketch and I redesigned it. So this is basically the thumbnail I redesigned. As you can see, it says total sales $7,000, but I said before that he only made $2,000. But the thing is, the overall sales of the store was like $7,000. So that's why I put 7,000. Basically, what I did good in this thumbnail is that you can tell what the video is about. You can see it from the dead store text. Also, one improvement I could have made here, I think I should incorporate Shopify logo right around here or here. You can tell without the title what's the video is about. Then I reworked his titles. This was his original title. I wrote a dead dropshipping store and then this happened. So I reframed it to have two titles. This was the one I personally like. I bought a failing store and made $2,000. Or we can reframe it as I bought a failing store and this happened. Yeah, something like that. So the first idea was buying a dead dropshipping store and this happened. I did this. I did this and something like that. I think his income comes from his school community, $249 per month. A small CTI increase in his videos, and like for example, this video is well made and he delivered on what was promised at the beginning. So I know for a fact that there are people who will join his community because he knows what he is doing. So if he increases views by like even 10%, that would be like 200 people watching his videos. 200 more people watching the videos mean more leads to his community, and even one person from that joining his community means $349 per month. He gets that money every month. And so basically, if I was a dropshipping creator, I would do this. For a thumbnail, your title should match your thumbnail, and your thumbnail should the idea of the video on its own, and just use the title to force the click. Also, another thing is you have to build a brand. Like I can see he's trying to be authentic here and using screenshots of graphs, but you can't really give an idea of the video with just the graph, and it's not very attractive. And if you are doing a community, you have to present yourself as a professional. It starts from your thumbnail and the title, and also things like your channel picture and your banner. Everything in your channel should present you as a professional because that's when people will trust you. This is the comparison before and after. Also, if you're looking for a packaging strategist or thumbnail designer, I have my links down below, and I have a link where you can go and book a call with me. So that's it for this video. Thank you.